in this quick video, I'm going to share with you how you can fix the issue if your phone is not connecting to BMW 5 Series. So this is the first thing that you can try. So what you want to do is go to your phone. I have Android, but this is similar way also if you have iPhone. You want to go to Bluetooth under Wi-Fi, and then you want to just press here to the settings of the like your BMW, and then what you want to do is that you on the bottom right you're gonna have unpair. So here you would press unpair and you're gonna unpair it. This is the first thing that you want to do. The second thing that you want to do, you just want to unpair it also from the screen on your BMW. So this is unpair it on both and try to pair it again. If that thing is not going to work, then what you need to do is that what you want to do is that what I've done to fix mine, this is something that I read already, is just hold down the power button, volume knob down until your screen turns off, and then press again to turn it back on. Hope this helps. So what you want to do is you want to press and hold the volume button for about 60 to 80 seconds when your car is going to be turned on, and this is how you're going to reset it, and therefore it should possibly work out then. I'm not going to say it's going to work out, but you can just test it out. And then what you can try to do, maybe the BMW is going to have issue with, let's say, iPhone, Android. Try to have some like a burner phone in which you're going to have just songs that you would just connect to your BMW. So let's say you have problem with iPhone, just get like some cheap Android in which you just have songs for like whatever dollars, and then you can go that way. So I just wanted to share these ideas. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day, and goodbye.